Sometimes she can't help herself and gets misunderstood. Things can sometimes turn out wrong, but all she meant was good. There's no one quite like Emily, friendly Emerald Emily. You don't need to ask her twice when you want some sound advice. All those who know Emily know what shows especially. She's got that certain you-know-what. There's no one quite like Emily. Clever, cheerful, confident. She really